How to track time on Monday.com. First is by opening your web browser and go to Monday.com. Once you're in Monday.com, simply sign in with your account and then choose the board that you want. For example, I will choose this one. And then on the columns found on your board, simply click on Add a column right here and click on More Columns. Then type in Time Tracker or Time Tracking. You may see this one with this logo. Click on Add to Board right here. And then what this will do is that it will track the time of your um, tasks right here. So you may click on this plus button and then you may see the time right there. You may pause it and then there you go. You have now added the time tracker on Monday.com.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.